Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As you can see here, we are taking a look at Vechain here on the daily time frame. As always, please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of Vechain at the minute. As we can see here, we are getting some nice continuation to the upside here after being massively downtrodden for a very long time here for Vechain, not really having many bounces to the upside at all over the past 1 or 2 years really of the bear market. You can see continuous downside here, and really we have been putting in a little bit of a range in this area here, looking like we might finally be coming up and retesting that high again. You could consider that we have been in a little bit of a range, looking something like this. Really it's just a massive range overall, something like that basically, where we have just been, you know, resistance, support, resistance, support, and now looking like we're back halfway up the range really, looking for a bit of resistance to be tested again. Obviously Bitcoin looking quite bullish right now, and the altcoin market moving quite significantly. A lot of big movers, Chainlink, etc. Injection, Protocol, just a few off the top of my head, those larger cap altcoins that have been moving. You can see here Vechain's also been having quite a nice move off this low of around 1.5 cents, currently at 2.25 cents. So a very nice little move off this low here. What we're looking at now, around a 50% move off the low in essentially what we're looking at a few months. So quite a nice move for Vechain. And you can see obviously that resistance there cleanly broken out of, breakout, backtest and continuation. We had a little bit of a swing high here that we could have got stuck under, but we have got continuation again here, heading into that very overbought territory for Vechain right now. But we could easily continue up to the next resistance in my opinion, which is that 0.23 Fibonacci at that 2.7 cent level. Obviously Vechain's still massively down from its all-time high and hasn't even retested its bear market resistance yet, let alone breaking out or seeing any signs of real life heading back to the upside like this. But we are showing obviously a lot of signs of bottoming out. You can see this previous resistance here was broken a while ago, and really we have been ranging for the better part of a year, probably maybe even just a bit longer than a year now, going sideways and consolidating and accumulating in this area between 1 and 2 cents, which I did say as always would be a very key area where likely price would start bouncing. Pretty obvious in my opinion that we were going to see ourselves bouncing in this area. You can see it's pretty clear that between 1 and 2 cents would have been a good accumulation zone psychologically, and also being around 97-98% down from the all-time high when you reach these levels. That's usually where you do start to see cryptos bouncing and getting a good accumulation, and you can see here that that is the case with Vechain now breaking to the upside, looking for a bit of relief off those lows. So really, as I said, not that much going on for Vechain at the minute. We do need to see a lot more from it before we do start to consider it being fully bullish. Heading back up towards this 4 cent level really is what we need to see, at around that 0.38 Fibonacci level. But overall, feeling very confident that Vechain will probably end up doing quite well in the next bull market. You can see here we've obviously got some nice extensions now from the current bear market. Fibonacci drew from the previous bull market high to the current low. You can see here we're obviously looking at, you know, potentially $1, maybe $2 for Vechain from the current price, which would be a lovely 50 to 100x from, or something along those lines from the current price. Very possible in my opinion. 50 to 100x is nothing to scoff at all, is it? So overall, feeling confident this will probably come good in the long term. A crypto that actually has real world utility and is genuinely looking to actually provide some utility for the real world. Good fundamentals, good pumpermentals. Last bull market it did very well, and I do think it can probably do at least half as decent in this one. Overall, we'll have to wait and see, but I do think most cryptos are going to start moving soon, as we can see showing signs of life. So that's it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.